Hello and welcome to Art Club. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a barn owl. I'll show you how you can use simple shapes to guide you with your drawing before we add in more details. For this drawing, all you're going to need is a pencil and some paper, or if you've got it, a sketchbook. I'll show you step by step how to draw the barn owl, and if you want to draw along with me, then you can pause the video anytime you like. So if you get your pencil and paper ready, then we'll be ready to start drawing. Okay, so before we start drawing our barn owl, we're going to have a look at a couple of photos I have and see what shapes we might be able to find in the bird that could help us with our drawing. What shapes can you see? If we look at the head, I think we could simplify that, and that could be like a circle. And its face, that's a bit like a heart shape, so we could draw that in as well. And its body, that's like a big oval shape. Also see that here, where its beak is, you might have a little triangle. Now that we've had a chance to take a closer look at the barn owl, I think that's going to really help us with our drawing. So first of all, we're going to draw the barn owl's head, which is just a circle at the moment. And I'm drawing very lightly to begin with, because if I change my mind about anything or make any mistakes, it'll be much easier to rub them out. I'm then going to draw the oval for its body, and that's going to overlap slightly with the head. Barn owls have got quite large heads compared to their body. It's sort of about 2 heads high, 2.5 heads high. And then we will add in the sort of oval, almost egg shape, because it's a bit pointy, for the wing. And we're going to show where the middle of its face is by just doing a line down the middle of that circle. And its eyes is about halfway up the head. We'll add a couple of circles. They're quite large as well, so the barn owl can see at night. And there's the little triangle shape for its beak. And we'll draw in the sort of heart shape that it has on its face. I'm also going to add in showing where its legs are with just a couple of lines, and where it's sitting on sort of a fence, or you could turn it into a branch. We'll show that there. Now at this point I'm going to look and make sure that I'm happy with where everything is, so that if I want to move anything or change the shape of anything, then I can do that now before I've added in too much detail. And I think that looks okay. So I will start adding in a few more of the details. So we'll have where its feathers are in its wings. And we're going to start joining in as well, smoothing out where the head and the body join. So it's properly connected there. And its legs, they're big, powerful talons it's got on here. So we'll add that in. And they curve around the branch it's sitting on. I'll continue adding in more of the details, going over some of the lines, making them darker. So I'm just going to speed up the video a little bit here so you can still see what I'm drawing, but you don't have to watch it in real time. I can rub out some of the lines from the shapes that I drew as guides if I don't want to see those anymore. This is where the oval from the body overlaps with the head. Adding in some shading. And suggesting the texture of some of the feathers. And here's my finished barn owl drawing. I hope you've enjoyed watching this and drawing along with me. If your barn owl doesn't look quite like mine, that's okay. We're all going to be producing different drawings. And actually, that's one of the great things about art, that everybody is going to produce unique artwork. And also, the more you practice, the better you're going to get. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them below. And I hope to see you again soon for another art club.